Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel, and today we're gonna try to fix our pesky oil furnace that's giving us a hard time. Right now it's in lockout mode. Okay, we're gonna show you exactly what's going on here. Let's turn on the unit again. Okay. Okay. As you can see, you see the green light blinking on and off? See it? See the green light blinking on and off? That means your unit is in lockout mode. This is a Honeywell Beckett unit, R7184B as in Bravo. Says it right on top. Okay, this is a very old unit. You can actually see inside there. You can see all the crap in there. This is a very old system. And you can actually see right here, watch, I'm going to show you right now, whoever installed this, this was actually on by some glue or tape. Or, see it? There's no screws even. There's no screws. So, yeah, this unit is actually going to come up. I'm going to show you. Okay, you see? This comes up, and you have to clean your electrode, okay? And also right here, I want to show you guys. Okay, I just flipped the top of this over, okay? Because we're going to have to start here. We're going to clean, okay? Okay. A lot of these units are very sensitive, okay? Do you see that little area right in the middle of those two spring-looking things? Okay, you see it right there. See it right there? Watch. Okay, what you're gonna do is take a Q-tip, okay? Because a lot of times you get grime on there, okay? A lot of grime. This is what came off a little while ago, okay? This is what came off a little while ago, okay? I thought I had it on camera, but I did not, okay? But what you do is, naturally you're gonna, let me see if I could get in here, okay? Put some light. Do you see where this Q-tip is gonna go? See where this, right in there, see it? Okay, yeah, but right there, it's clean. Now, when you look inside, I gotta be careful here. I don't want it to hang. But when you look all the way inside, that right inside here is your electrodes. Okay, be very careful in there. Okay, what you need to do is, on the side here, okay, you're gonna need a 7/16 flare to get on every angle of, see it? See right there? Just hit it up one little click, you know, I mean, I already did it already just to help me out, but, and then you're gonna pop it out, and then you're gonna take out this little, also there's another little, it's like a locking ring type thing, see it? This goes in before anything. This goes over it, and then this goes back inside, see? Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Now, always take pictures, guys. Take pictures, please. We're gonna pull the electrode out to see how dirty it is. And this is on an angle, so be careful. Okay, and guys, oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my God. Do you see that? Oh my God. I mean, guys, wow. I have never ever seen that before. Do you see this? Wow. Okay, we're gonna clean it up, guys. Let's do it. That was horrible. This is absolutely, without a doubt, disgusting. This electrode. Are you kidding me? Let me just get some light. Okay. Guys, look at that. Guys, look at this. I've never seen it so, I mean, I haven't done this too many times in my life, but I've never seen it like that before, ever. Okay. And look at all the crap that came off of it. Look at us. It's breaking him. Look at us, watch. Just dropping it down very easy. Look at all the stuff on there, guys. Look at that. That is disgusting. Okay. Now, you can use brake cleaner, but do not use brake cleaner on the actual metal electrodes. Okay. See these top pieces right here that are very, see the metal pieces? You know, all this crap all over it. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Don't use, well, it's saying don't use brake clean on the metal parts up here, on the electrodes. use it on the porcelain, okay? But just be careful doing it, okay? But what you do want to do is on the metal pieces up here, you could use a Scotch-Brite or little Brillo type thing, but yeah, be careful. You just clean it off really good up there, see? Just trying to get it really nice. Okay, just trying to get it off as clean as I could. Yeah, I'm just going to use this little Brillo over here. Okay, and that's all I'm really doing. Just want to. Okay, see how I just did the top really quick? I mean, it's not perfect, but see just the metal part, see? The electrodes. Now, gotta obviously, look at this, watch. Look at this crap, guys. That's absolutely horrible. Okay, what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna hit some brake clean on here, see? Brake clean, it's gonna be hard to see, but here we go. I wanna try to do it in here, see? Get a little brake clean in there, hang on a sec. And like I said, I'm not gonna, this is, make sure it's dry afterwards, guys. Hit the brake clean on here, really good, okay? The electrodes. Oh my God. Wow, look at that, look at that. Guys, look inside there. Ugh, look at that crap. Gross, okay. Now the electrodes, I'm gonna try to clean it off. Look at these. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay. You always want to make sure that there's no cracks in the electrodes. If it is, you need a new one immediately, guys. Okay, I'm just hitting a little more. Guys, be careful that, if these come undone, they got to be put on a special way. There's a special, there's an air gap you gotta abide by, okay? So just be careful of that. If your electrodes or the porcelain get undone somehow, be careful. Look at this bullshit. Obviously, the tip on here is clogged. You can see it's clogged. Wow. Okay, so what I got here. I know it's not going to look perfect, guys, but I'm just trying to hit it a little bit. I'm just trying to hit it. See it? Hitting the electrodes again, or hitting the porcelain over here. Okay. But yeah, the past, maybe about a week ago, I was actually, I was home and we had the heat on, because usually we have it on about 70 degrees, usually, okay? And I woke up one morning and I said, that's weird, it's, feels really cold in here, really cold. I said, that's odd. So anyway, I went down, I checked it out, and yeah, it was going down to like 61 degrees in the house. I kept saying, oh, that's weird, it shouldn't be doing that. I go, that's odd. So, so naturally the green light was flashing, telling me it was in lockout mode, which, okay. And then today, a couple hours ago, it was like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up and I'm like, it's cold in here. And it was actually at about 60 degrees this morning. So I said, oh boy. And then I looked, and naturally the unit was in lockdown mode, or lockout mode, whatever you want to call it, okay? And there you go. That's the best I could probably do, okay? All right, so yeah. So hopefully, if this doesn't fix the lockout problem, chances are we have larger problems, which I hope not. But after we do this, we're going to put the electrode back in the proper way, okay? Actually, I'm going to go and take a look in the hole. I'm going to take a look in the hole of the unit here. See the hole back there? See the hole down there? Hang on a sec. But you could see there's some in there. There's some crap in there. So I'm going to try to... They do recommend you use a washcloth, with not a lot of lint on it, you know, just because it's a lot easier and it won't leave any kind of, you know, leave residue behind, usually, you know. So I'm going to use this washcloth that I just used. See what I can do here. All right. Okay, put my hand in there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that crap. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but see, here it is again. Here's the electrode. We're going to put it back in that hole I just showed you, okay? It's going to go back in there a certain way, okay? And always make sure that the orientation on the top, the electrodes, they have to be within a certain direction. Always look at your specs on your particular model. But yeah, every model, very different, okay? There is no cracks in the porcelain. I examined the porcelain, which is a good sign. I do not see any cracks. So we're going to put this back in and hope this little light goes off here. See the light blinking on and off? We're going to hope it goes off, because if not, I'm going to be mad. See what I could do here. Okay, this has to go in, like I said. See it in there? Okay, now has to go in a certain way. There we go. Okay, see what I got here. Boom. Okay, now see how it's in? Boom. Okay, see how it's in? Now, if you look to the side here, you're actually going to see, hang on a second, you're actually going to see the little attachment sticking out. Now, this goes over it. This gold piece is going to hook into it, and you're going to screw it in. A picture before. I want to make sure I have the orientation of the little locking nut correct. See, that's why it's so important to take pictures, guys. Okay, I did take some pictures, if you notice, see? So now I know firsthand, boop, see it? That's how it goes in, like that. See it? Goes in just like that. So, trying to picture if it's on that side or this side. Yeah, it should go on that way. Yeah, perfect. The way I have it on, it should be. Okay, just want to make sure, guys. Almost there, almost there. Okay, now you don't want to go too much because you can break that pipe, guys. You can break the little copper pipe here, see it? You can break that, so. Okay, that little flange piece right here, the copper flange piece right here, I tightened it up now. Take the locking nut that I showed you before, and just tighten that up a little bit. Not a little bit, tighten it up all the way. And I'm going to show you exactly what it's supposed to look like. All right, okay. Make sure it's on. All right, good. Okay. Now, you can see it right there. Am I all the way up? I think I am. Boom. All right. See it right there? Now you're in. See it? See how it looks? See how it looks in there? That is right there. Now you are hooked back up against it. Now you always want to make sure there's no leaks, obviously. Okay. Okay, so now we have the electrode back in. See how this light is flashing green? That means it's in lockout mode. Now you're supposed to be able to push the button, put it back on, and it's supposed to be a steady green light instead of flashing. Unfortunately, this is in permanent lockout mode, okay? Now, what you're gonna need to do is push the button, hold it for 45 seconds to a minute. Wait for the green light to come on. Let's go. Okay, see what happens. You push it and hold it. Do not take your finger off the button. A light should illuminate. It should turn green up there eventually. And that'll mean it's out of permanent lockout mode. It will be taken out of permanent lockout mode. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. I did it before for about 35 seconds. No light came on. I guess I didn't hold it for the 45 seconds. There it is. Light came on. Okay, lights off. There you go, guys. The system just came on. Let's make sure the flame starts. There you go. You hear it? Perfect. Yeah, guys, this is an old system. Very old. We're going to need a new one very shortly. Because, I mean, as you can see, look at all this crap everywhere. You know, all over the place. I mean, look at all this. Just, literally, it's falling apart. There you go. Make sure it comes on. See the light on? Now the light is on. Yeah. Still don't see the flame yet. I hear it starting. Alright. Looks like a job well done, guys. You know, when you saw that electrode come out, what did you think? That was horrendous. I've never seen one that bad. I've only worked on my unit a couple times. I've worked on other units, not too many, a couple, and the electrodes were never that bad when I took them out, never. But yeah, look at that. Now everything is staying on. It's not locking out because there's no more problem. The problem was that dirty, cruddy, nasty electrode. And then after we cleaned it, like I showed you before, here it comes. There's the flame. All right, that's a job well done, guys. All right, this is your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. Guys, shake your neighbor's hand as always. The fighting in this world has got to stop. We don't need it. Why can't we get along, guys? It's the holiday season. Let's get along with one another. Click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. Click all so you never miss an upcoming post or video alarms. And guys, ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday to you guys. From your friends at the H&M Reloaded channel. We love you guys. Peace out. Later.